Hello everyone, welcome to Channel Nitrix. Today we will be disassembling the Miyoo Flip portable gaming device to review the internal components. If you are interested in how the device works from the inside or want to perform maintenance, this video is for you and review the quality of the internal parts of the device. The first thing we notice here is the rechargeable lithium-ion battery, which provides the energy needed to operate the device for long periods. A closer look at the shoulder buttons and a closer look at the motherboard, with a closer look at its presence and size, 2 analog sticks, components on it. The processor is responsible for running games, data processing speed, and performance management. RAM supports smooth application operation. Storage memory stores the operating system and data. Ports includes USB ports, SD card, and audio jack. The motherboard is the beating heart of the device. With the dismantling of the plastic buttons and the dismantling of the device's high-resolution screen, the games are displayed in bright colors. Its location is connected to the motherboard via a flexible cable.